Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be diving into a comprehensive guide on Filmora 14, exploring Filmora's AI-powered features in this exciting release. Filmora 14s offer a complete editing experience that empowers creators with advanced tools, making it one of the most versatile and powerful editors available. With the new AI toolbox, Filmora 14 is now capable of handling every editing task in one place, removing the need to juggle multiple tools or websites. Stick around and I will show you some of its brand new features with practical demonstrations, revealing just how transformative this version can be. So let's jump right in and unlock the full potentials of Filmora 14 together. The link of this platform is available in the video description. After download, install the software, and after installation, launch this and you will see the interface like this. Here we have some options like Smart Shot Clip, Smart Scene Cut, AI Video Enhancer, AI Color Palette, and here you can see all of its new features. Alright, let's dive in and reveal the first features, the AI Voice Enhancer. To get started, we will head into a new project. I will begin by importing a clip I have prepared. Then add it to the timeline. And let me play the clip. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Filmora 14, a powerful yet beginner-friendly video editing software. In this video, we will explore Filmora's clean interface, and once that's done, we can select the clip, navigate to the audio settings, and scroll down to find the AI Voice Enhancer. Clearly marked as new, just turn it on and you will see two adjustment options, voice clarity and voice beautification. You can fine tune these sliders to achieve the exact vocal enhancement you are looking for. Now let's play the clip with the AI Voice Enhancer activated and hear the difference. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Filmora 14, a powerful yet beginner-friendly video editing software. And down below here we have some other options like point removal and normal denoise. You can also enable these options. You can also use de-reverb, hum removal and hiss removal. Now let me play the video again. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Filmora 14 and you can see the difference. This feature is especially valuable if you are creating outdoor videos where you don't have full control over audio quality like you would in a studio setting. It's truly a game changer for enhancing sound clarity on the go. Now moving on the second features in Filmora 14, the AI sound effect. Like the voice enhancer, this tool is accessible right within the editor. Just head over to the audio section and you will see a new option. Here we can take advantage of the AI-powered sound effects by simply describe your effect here and click on generate icon. And wait a moment and done. It has generated 3 sound effects. You can play one by one. You can also download any effect you like. I like this one and I will download this effect. Now let's try another sound effect. Simply describe the sound effect you would like. And if you click on the settings, you will see two options, the duration of the sound effect and the number of sound effects you want to generate. After that, click on generate icon. Let's give it a moment here. And you can see it has generated 3 impressive sound effects based on our description. exactly matching the concept I had in my mind. So you can download it and use these effects into your videos. Filmora 14 is packed with some incredible new AI-powered features that can take your video editing to the next level. These tools are designed to make editing faster, easier, and more professional, giving you the flexibility to create with ease. You will find the download link for this software right below the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.